Hello, in this video I will show you how to withdraw from Bybit to Metamask. Now it's extremely easy process. So what you have to do is, firstly open your browser, then open Bybit, then make sure to open the first link right over here and log into your account. Now once you will do that, and then just simply open your Metamask, and right over here just simply copy your receiving address. So wait for a few seconds and then scroll down and click on receive tokens. Copy this address right over here. Now, if you have multiple accounts, make sure to choose the correct account as well. Now, come back to Bybit, click on deposit. Now come back to Bybit, go to assets, then click on withdraw. After that, right over here, choose the proper coin that you want to transfer. Let's say for example, Ethereum. Then enter the wallet that you just copied from Metamask. Then choose the correct network type. And then enter the amount that you want to transfer. And after that, just simply click on confirm, and then within few minutes, your crypto will be transferred from Bybit to a Metamask. Now it could take to 5 to 10 minutes, so be patient and wait for it to complete. So that's it. And if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.